Condenser units currently available on the market are bulky, rectangular boxes often seen on apartment balconies. They are unattractive and loud, they are climbing hazards when positioned near a balustrade, and they take up valuable space. The Slimline Condenser is a quiet, safe and space-saving alternative. With apartment design guidelines across Australia now mandating minimum balcony sizes of 8 square metres, excluding the space occupied by a condenser unit, the Slimline Condenser not only saves space by being much slimmer, it can also perform a double duty as a balcony divider between apartments. Alternatively, the unit can be wall or soffit mounted, resulting in a balcony floor space free of large, bulky equipment. The unit has been designed to maximise the efficiency of a typical condenser by reorganising its components. The main body consists of a casing that can be matched in colour and finish to the facade of a building. Housed inside the casing are the cooling coils and fins. The casing is rounded for smooth airflow with an angled edge for maximum air intake via the Coeur effect. This sits on top of a mechanical housing within which the compressor, motor and mixed flow impeller are located. Finally, this is where the fan system is employed. The circular tube is then capped with an intake screen, with the vertical gaps in this piece allowing for induced air to enter the airflow.